What's up? Got a lot to get through, so I'll go ahead and get gone. Did a couple boxes this week. During the week, I did the new Topps Finest Football. I got this Finest QB cuts of Manziel. I guess this is one per case, so I did all right. And then my hits were a Terrence West jersey auto, not numbered, and then a patch auto of Jordan Matthews. Not too bad of a patch, not numbered any of them. Last night my card shop had a little get together type thing with lots of deals, so did a couple boxes. I'll go ahead and start. I did a box of Court Kings. This is numbered 14 of 25. I can't. Squires? I think that's the subset. Kenneth Reed. Let's see, my box top was Dwayne Wade. Here are my hits. My autograph was KCP. And this is pretty nice. It's a out of 99 quad jersey. Kobe, Gasol, Parker, and Duncan. Then I did a box of the regular Panini. I keep busting it only because, I mean, my card shop sells it for like 30 bucks and it's just easy. But I had pulled a redemption of Corey Joseph. I ended up giving that away last night, but I also got an Adrian Dantley. Then I did a box of 2013 certified football. Got a Marquise Goodwin out of 99. Jumbo, or I don't know. Team die cut. Certified. Phillip Rivers out of 99. New Generation out of 25, Ace Sanders. And then not too bad of a hit here. Monty Ball, dual jersey auto. Freshman Fabrics, 100. Then I did a box of 2014 certified. I pulled this 250 point instead of a jersey or a patch auto. My hits were out of 599, Brandon Cooks. Fabric of the Game out of 99, and Quan Bolden. And then an autograph of Calvin Pryor out of 399. Alright, I think that's it for box breaks. Get into some mail. I just got this one today. This is from Immaculate. Hall of Fame Heroes, Rodman out of 49. Number 10 out of 49. My dog's barking. Number 10, eBay 101, jersey number. Got this one in. I joined a group break of Crazy MJs. I thought I went hitless, but apparently I didn't. Well, it's not even really a hit. I got into his Immaculate break. I got the Clippers. Looks like he threw in some packaging, some select packaging. But I got a base card, Chris Paul, out of 99. Number 4 of 99, just one off of jersey number. So, almost got it. This one, eBay. Awesome, awesome. Buy it now for $139. Patch auto, gold. I think it's gold. That's numbered out of 10. This one's number 1 of 10. Patch is kind of weak. I mean, it's not too terribly bad. So yeah, I got that for buy it now, $139 shipped. And then the second one that went, it had a much sicker patch, but out of 10 I think it went for over $500, so I'm happy with the one I got. One more. Another group break. It was on Breakers TV, Bates on. I had the Bulls. Show you what I got. It was a pick your own team. It was probably the best team that was left. Pretty glad I bought them. Triple jersey out of 49 of Joakim Noah, Jimmy Butler, Taj Gibson. Short printed Jimmer Fredette, 10 of 10. from the probably the worst subset in Immaculate, but my big hit, Christmas Day Logo Man size tag jumbo 2 of 2, 2 of 2. So that's what I got. Not too bad. So thanks for watching.